Okay, a very good evening, all of you. Is my screen visible? Please let me know in the chat. Yes, thank you. Okay, so today's topic that we are going to do, it's going to be pronouns. Now, one of the pronoun we already know, it's right in front, subject pronouns. This is something you've been doing since grade 8. All right. So the subject pronouns are right in front. You very well know this. I'm sure you don't need any explanation for this. So what I do is I'll straight away give you an exercise without wasting time, and let's see if you're able to solve it. Okay. Here is an exercise. This exercise is from chapter 7, page 73. So in case you have textbook in front, you will find these 5 questions. Chapter 7, page 73. Romplacez les mots soulignés par les pronoms sujets. Remplacer les mots soulignés par des pronoms sujets. It means you have to replace the underlined word with the correct subject pronoun. Remplacer is to replace. Les mots soulignés, the underlined words. Replace the underlined words. By what? By the subject pronoun. They pronounce usually subject pronouns. All right. So the first one in the chat, what would you replace Karan and Rucha with? Very good, Suzanne. Very good, Kaushiki. Very good, Mahalakshmi. Man correct. Deep correct. Namra very good. Fantastic. Kinan, yes. Anaida, Daniel, superb. All right. So the answers that are given in the chat by all of you, it's absolutely correct. It is Karan and Rucha, a boy and a girl. That's why we write ills. Again, you can always cross check the conjugation is ENT. So मतलब हमारा ills जो लिखा है हमने यहाँ पे वो absolutely correct है. Okay, so you can cross check always. Conjugation correspond हो रहा है क्या subject pronoun के साथ हो रहा है. Yes. ills के साथ ending ENT होता है. Yes, होता है. कौन से वाले verbs में होता है? ER वाले verbs में. So yes, we have written the correct answer. Let's go ahead. Okay, just hold on. There are students who are still joining in. Please solve this till then on your own and we'll discuss. Okay. Now the second one, if I have seen you, I have seen you writing L. Some of you have written L. If you see, read the question correctly. It is étudiant. Does étudiant have E in the sentence? Yes, EST conjugation में il and L दोनों आता है. So you are right. There could be a confusion. तो वो कंफ्यूजन सॉर्ट करने के लिए आगे वाला वर्ड पढ़ो. ईएसटी के बाजू वाला. इज एथ्यूदियोंत विद एन ई? नो. मतलब क्या है? एथ्यूदियोंत का नंबर एंड जेंडर क्या है? बताओ मुझे चैट में. इट इज सिंगुलर. यस, इट इज वन स्टूडेंट. एंड मैस्कुलिन है कि फेमिनिन है? मैस्कुलिन. एग्जैक्टली. तो मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर हमारा क्या है यहाँ पे? इल की एल. इल. एग्जैक्टली. सो यू विल राइट इल एंड नॉट एल. All right, so whenever you have a confusion, make sure you read the sentence entirely. Most of the times, hint is always there in the question itself. Also remember, Jean is a boy. Yes, Kaushiki, correct. Jean is a boy. तो अगर feminine होती है तो JEANNE होता. JEANNE. The spelling would have been JEANNE had it been feminine. Okay. So JEANNE होता तो we would have written L, but this is JEAN. Again, अगर ये नहीं मालूम होता आपको तो भी एथ्यूदियोंत is a very clear enough hint in this sentence. Going ahead, le start the France. Le. प्लीज लुक एट द हिंट करेक्टली. एल ई. मन अच्छे से देखो. एल ई. एल ई मतलब क्या है? मैस्कुलिन है कि फेमिनिन है? अकॉर्डिंगली लिखो. मन प्लीज चेंज योर आंसर. रेस्ट वाला करेक्ट. डैनियल एक ही बार आंसर टाइप करना है. Yes, very good. Man has corrected himself. So I hope you understood why it is ill. La hota तो we would have written L because it is la. It means it is clear हमारा noun masculine है. So we have written ill. Going ahead, Madame Deshmukh and Madame Lacombe. दो madam. We're talking about two ladies. Very good. Excellent. Your answer is absolutely correct. It is L's. Very, very good. लास्ट वन. लामी द रूचा. पे अटेंशन. आमी का स्पेलिंग अच्छे से देखो. द फ्रेंड ऑफ रूचा. फ्रेंड का स्पेलिंग देखो. नम्र फ्रेंड एक ही है ना? द फ्रेंड ऑफ रूचा. तो किसका भी फ्रेंड हो. माई फ्रेंड, योर फ्रेंड, किसका भी फ्रेंड. सी द नंबर एंड जेंडर ऑफ फ्रेंड. योर आंसर इज एल. वेरी गुड. कैसे पता चला? आमी का स्पेलिंग देखने का. आमी इज विथ ई. अगर आमी में ई नहीं होता तो क्या लिखते हम? लेट्स से आमी में ई नहीं डाला मैंने. then your answer would have been yes. Excellent. अगर e नहीं होता तो हम ill लिखते. Very, very good. So are these 5 sentences clear? Replace the underlined word with subject pronoun. समझा सबको? Now if I say rucha e mua तो क्या लिखोगे? In the subject I say rucha e mua. Nu. Very good. So remember class, anybody plus mua is always nu. Okay, rucha e mua, karan ne mua. Mua आया ना तो you will write nu. Anyone plus mua is always nu. Kaushiki, I'll get back to your doubt. Just hold on, okay? I read your question. Then similarly, anybody plus tua is always going to be dash. Very good, excellent. क्या बात है, लगता है type भी था. The center मारने की देरी थी. Very, very good, excellent. So Kaushiki has asked what is VEUT. Anybody knows? In the last sentence there is VEUT. VEUT क्या है? Anyone knows? Very good Anaida. Very, very good. If you remember ये वाला verb 8th में था. VEUT is vulvar. ये 8th standard में था. vulvar का conjugation है ये. VOULOIR. VOULOIR. Vulvar is to wish or to want. Note down. Vulvar is to wish or to want. You can even note down the conjugation. Okay, the conjugation is there in the chat. Please note down. Vulvar का conjugation. Vulvar is to wish or to want. उसका conjugation मैंने chat में डाला है. Please note it down. Vulvar is to wish or to want. You have to be very careful here. जिससे देखो nu and wo में VOULONS VOULEZ, but ilzels में VEULENT है. So there is a change. This is an irregular verb. Yes, Kate की. Suheter is to wish, as in to wish someone a happy birthday, वैसा वाला wish. This is to want something वाला. I wish I had a holiday today. वैसा वाला. समझा केटकी? You understood the difference? Okay, then let's go ahead. The next is we are going to do le pronotonic and pronodisjoint. In the heading, if you see pronotonic ki pronodisjoint. If you remember, even this was there in the last year. 8th standard की book में ये भी था. if I'm not wrong. So इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? TED, TED. T stands for tonic. Okay, T stands for tonic. Note down. TED. T stands for tonic. D stands for Dichua. E stands for emphatic. Tonic, emphatic, Dichua. Tonic pronouns, disjunctive pronouns, emphatic pronouns. TED pronouns. TED. Tonic, emphatic, disjunctive. TED. Tonic, emphatic, disjunctive. So, excuse me. So, if you see, ये जो है, it has got 3 names. This pronoun has got 3 names. But the topic is one and the same. So your teacher might confuse you. In the first sentence she may say replace the underlined word with tonic pronoun. सेकेंड वाले सेंटेंस में बोलेंगे रिप्लेस द अंडरलाइन वर्ड विद डिसजंक्टिव प्रोनाउन. तो तुम लोग सोचोगे अरे पर टोनिक नीचे डिसजंक्टिव पर आंसर तो सेम आ रहा है बिकॉज द टॉपिक इज सेम. इवन दो इट हैज गॉट डिफरेंट नेम्स द टॉपिक इज वन एंड द सेम. ओके, सो ऐसा वाला अलग नाम आया तो डू नॉट बी कंफ्यूज. रिमेंबर टोनिक, डिसजंक्टिव, एम्फैटिक सब एक ही है. Daniel, this is in second chapter. Page number 19. If you take page number 19, come to page number 19, you will get the exact same thing what is on the screen. Now, how and when do we use tonic pronoun? वो करने के पहले हम लोग देखेंगे tonic pronoun है क्या actually. Okay, so the subject pronouns j, you, il, el, nu, vu, il, el. जैसे हम यही ऑर्डर में पढ़ते हैं वैसे टेड प्रोनाउंस को भी वही ऑर्डर में पढ़ना होता है. मुआ, तुआ, लुई, एल, नु, वू, एल. इसका ऑर्डर चेंज नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so now since you have the table in front, look at the table and tell me j corresponds to dash. J corresponds to, very good, Deep, Drushti, Nidhi, Ketki, Kaushiki, excellent. Okay, tell me what does ILS correspond to? ILS, very good, very good. ILS, Anaida, ILS, it's plural. ILS, very good, all of you are correct so far. Next, if I say the subject is TU, then it will correspond to what? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. तो हमको बेसिकली ये टेड प्रोनाउंस का लिस्ट याद रखना है. मुआ, तुआ, लुई, एल, नु, वू, एल. मुआ, तुआ, लुई, एल, नु, वू, एल. जैसे शोत्यू इल एल, नु, वू, इल एल हमको एकदम अभी याद रह गया है, वैसे ये भी याद रखना है. मुआ, तुआ, लुई, एल, नु, वू, एल. मुआ, तुआ, लुई, एल, नु, वू, एल. मुआ, तुआ, लुई, एल, नु, वू, एल. ये एकदम बाय हार्ट होना चाहिए. Okay, so since now you've understood this, I'll go ahead and I'll exactly tell you when to use these TED pronouns. TED, tonic, E, emphatic, D, disjunctive. Okay, so now coming to the first rule, it is called as emphatic pronoun. Barabar, emphatic matlab there is going to be an emphasis on the subject. Okay, moi je suis professor. As for me, I am the professor. So you see, me bhi bola and I bhi bola. Me and I are not different persons. It's one and the same. पर दो बार क्यों बोला? Because I want to emphasize it. उस पे ज्यादा फोकस डालना है मुझे. Okay? तो उसको ज्यादा हाईलाइट करना है. When you want to put a highlight, कुछ ज्यादा हाईलाइट करना है, कुछ ज्यादा फोकस करना है, किसी पे ज्यादा एम्फेसिस करना है, in that case we will use these TED pronouns. Moi je suis professeur. Me, I am professor. You, do you like vacations? Vous aimez les vacances? Of course. ये भी क्वेश्चन है क्या? है ना? Pierre, Louis, il aime les maths. Okay, and there is an exclamation mark, like it's a surprise. Peter, he likes math. Exclamation mark. समझा? So you see, Peter भी बोला, as for him भी बोला, and he भी बोला. मतलब you see there is an emphasis on the subject. When the subject is emphasized, in that case you will always use TED pronouns. फर्स्ट वाले में मुआ क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन जो है. सेकेंड वाले में वो लिखा क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन वो है. वो के साथ वो करस्पॉन्ड्स टू वो ओनली. देखो यहाँ पे नु एंड वू का सेम टू सेम है, एल का सेम है एंड एल्स का भी सेम है. तो डिफरेंट क्या है? ज करस्पॉन्ड्स टू मुआ, त्यू तुआ, इल लुई. एल का एल, नु का नु, वू का वू, सेम टू सेम. इल्स का ux, एल्स का lz है, सेम टू सेम. ओके. सो इफ यू सी द एग्जाम्पल नाउ, वू वू है ना, वू करस्पॉन्ड्स टू वू ओनली, बट द डिफरेंस इज फर्स्ट वाला वू जो है वो टेड है, सेकेंड वाला वू जो है वो सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन है. क्लियर? देन द थर्ड सेंटेंस, पीटर, as for him he likes math. him he likes math, है ना. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे जो बोल रहे हैं him and he, they are not two different persons, we are talking about the same person. The subject is being emphasized, which is why ted is used. Is rule number 1 clear to all of you? Remember, I'm going to ask these rules to you all. उसको explain करने भी बोलूंगी मैं. First rule clear to everyone? किसी को भी unmute करके I will ask. Explain करो what is emphasis. Is rule number 1 clear? Let me know in the chat. Yes, very good. Going ahead to the second rule. After a preposition. Okay. So to name a few. Do you remember any prepositions to name a few? Let me know in the chat. जितने भी prepositions French में डालना. Okay, French में डालना. Not in English. I know in English you may know a lot of them. Okay. नम्र को बोला preposition डालो chat में, तो he is typing preposition in the chat. क्या रे भाई नम्र, क्या होगा तुम्हारा? Preposition म्हणजे name the preposition ना नम्र. क्या पी के आए हो आज? Okay, very good. So I see a lot of prepositions have come in the chat. I will type in some of the prepositions and make sure you note them down. Okay. Okay, so I have typed in some of the prepositions. Let's discuss the meaning of all of these prepositions. First one, avec son. What do you think it means, avec son? Acha, first note it down. Did you finish noting down? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of them in the chat. सब 14 मिला सबको, सबने लिखा? All 14 in the notebook? Yes, very good. So now avec sans is with, without. Opposites, huh? Opposites. So you can put that in the opposite list as well. Then the next one. The next one was, chat में ऊपर चला गया. Okay. What was the next one? Can somebody type in the chat? ऊपर चला गया chat में एकदम. Sure and Sues. Okay, so Sure was on, Sure is on, and Sue is under. Sure, Sues, on, under. Sure, Sues, on, under. Sure, Sues, on, under. Okay, the next one in French. French वाला type करो. Agrav. Agrav is to, at, or in, depending on the context. Agrav is to, at, or in. To, slash, at, slash, in. To, at, or in. Okay, the next one, the म्हणजे of or from. The मतलब of या तो from. Of slash from. Of slash from. After the, what was the next one? Devant, derrière. Okay. Devant is in front of, derrière is behind. In front of, behind. Devant, derrière. In front of, behind. Devant, derrière. Devant is in front of, derrière is behind. What more after that? Dans. Dans is in. Dans म्हणजे in. Dans मतलब in. Dans એટલે in. Sauf is without. Sauf is without. SAUF, sauf is without. Sauf without. Chez is at the place of. Dans is in. Kaushiki, dans is in. Chez is at the place of. Chez at the place of. CHEZ. Chez is at the place of. Pour is for. Pour is for. Pour is for. The मतलब of या तो from. Ketki. The means of or from depending on the context. आवो आपरे का बताया मैंने मीनिंग. No, avant is before, après is after. Avant, après. Before, after. Avant, après. Before, after. Sauf is except, deep. Except. EXCEPT. Sauf. SAUF. Sauf means except. And sans means without. Okay? Please note down. Sans is without. SANS sans is without. And SAUF sauf is except. EXCEPT. Which means everyone has done homework except Deep. मतलब Deep को छोड़ के सबने होमवर्क किया ऐसा. तो sauf is except. Pour मतलब for Suzanne. So sans and sauf का different meanings है class. Please note down. Sans is without. SANS is without. SAUF is except. All right. Are all the meanings clear? सबको सब meanings मिला? Yes. Superb. So now after a preposition, if you see any word underlined, okay? Avant मतलब before. Sonal, avant is before, après is after. Avant before, après after. Nidhi, sur, SUR, sur is on. Le chien est sur la table. The dog is on the table or the dog is on the chair. Le chien est sur la chaise. The dog is on the chair. Les livres sont sur la table. The books are on the table. Sur is on. Now, see the example. Anything that is underlined after a preposition will be replaced by ted. Okay? Paul va au cinéma avec ses amis. Paul va au cinéma avec ses amis. Avec preposition, avec के बाद वाला word underlined है. So we will replace ses amis with EUX. क्यों EUX? क्योंकि ses amis is like ils, masculine plural. Ils corresponds to what? EUX. Okay? Is that clear? Daniel, do you have a dog? Yes. Okay. No. Daniel doesn't have a dog. Okay. Then the dog will not ruin your table. Don't worry. Is this understood? Paul va au cinéma avec ses amis. Paul va au cinéma avec EUX. Preposition के बाद वाला word underline था, उसको हमने ted से replace किया, ted pronoun से. EUX लिखा because say Zami is like ills, masculine plural. Ills corresponds to EUX. Is this clear? ये वाला sentence सबको समझा? Shall I go ahead? Let me know in the chat. Yes, Kaushiki, in the exam also ऐसा ही दिया होगा. Okay, coming to the next one. आफ्टर क डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन में हमने क पढ़ा है. प्लू ऑसी एडजेक्टिव क, प्लू एडजेक्टिव क, मुआ एडजेक्टिव क, ऑसी प्लू या मुआ प्लस एडजेक्टिव प्लस क. तो डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन बेसिकली कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में जो क होता है उसके बाद कोई भी वर्ड अंडरलाइन हुआ वी विल रिप्लेस इट विद टेड. अभी इधर क के बाद पॉल अंडरलाइंड है तो we will replace that with ted pronoun. Paul is what? Il corresponds to what? Louis. इसलिए हम लोग ने आंसर में लुई लिखा. Clear? Are these three cases clear? First is for emphasis. When the subject is emphasized, ted pronoun. After preposition anything is underlined, ted pronoun. क के बाद कुछ underlined है, ted pronoun. ये तीन केस समझा सबको? I am going to ask cases to everyone, okay? Now there is fourth and fifth case also which I will put in the chat. So you will have to stop using chat for a while so that I can type the things in the chat. नहीं तो ऊपर ऊपर चला जाएगा मेरा notes. Okay. So I am using the chat. You kindly refer to the chat and note it down. Book में लिखो. Okay. So after say or so whatever is underlined. से में देर इज एन अपोस्ट्रॉफ जो मैंने नीचे करेक्शन करके डाला है. आफ्टर से और सो वट एवर इज अंडरलाइंड विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय टेड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल से सारा केम ऑन आमी. सारा इज अंडरलाइंड. टेल मी व्हाट विल यू रिप्लेस सारा विथ? पहले ये रूल लिख लो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है नहीं तो ऊपर चला जाएगा. yes I am getting the correct answers but make sure ये रूल लिख दो. this is rule number 4. After say or so whatever is underlined will be replaced by ted pronoun. Example, say Sarah came on Ami. Underlined word here is Sarah. So how will you write the answer? Say L came on Ami. Say L, Sarah को हटा के L. Say L. L क्यों? क्योंकि L corresponds to L. टेड प्रोनाउन में L के सामने L ही है टेबल में. Rule number 4 clear to all? If rule number 4 is clear, I will give you the last rule, which is rule number 5. Okay, so write down the rule number 5 now. Rule number 5 is for an incomplete answer. Okay, matlab there will always be a question in these kind of sentences. For example, I say ki M le chocolat. Who likes chocolates? Answer is Karan and Rucha. Okay, who likes the chocolates? Answer is Karan and Rucha. I do not complete the sentence by saying Karan and Rucha like the chocolates. I did not complete the sentence. मैंने सिर्फ करण एंड रूचा लिखा एंड छोड़ दिया. इनकम्प्लीट आंसर. सो आंसर इज स्टैंडिंग अलोन. यहाँ पे बाजू में वर्ब भी नहीं है, ऑब्जेक्ट भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. आंसर इज इनकम्प्लीट. व्हेन यू हैव एन इनकम्प्लीट आंसर मतलब बाजू में क्वेश्चन होगा, क्वेश्चन के बाजू में इनकम्प्लीट आंसर होगा तो यू विल रिप्लेस द अंडरलाइन वर्ड विथ टेड प्रोनाउन. सो योर आंसर शुड बी व्हाट विल यू राइट? करण एंड रूचा को हटा के टेड प्रोनाउन अनाइडा. इल्स नहीं लिख सकते. अनाइडा इज करेक्ट. सॉरी, दैट इज दीप. दीप एंड नम्र Ils corresponds to what? Ils will correspond to what? Ted pronouns के सामने. Ted pronouns का टेबल में क्या था? Ils के सामने. Yes, ux. So you will write the answer as, पूरा सेंटेंस में आंसर लिखने का, कि एम ले शोकोला. फिर से लिखो, कि एम ले शोकोला, एंड आंसर में लिखोगे ux, करण एंड ऊंचा को हटा के. So your answer should look like this. I have put in the chat. Qui aime le chocolat? Question mark EUX. Answer में EUX. करण एंड ऊंचा को हटा के EUX. Clear? So there are 5 cases. अभी ये 5 cases को कैसे याद रखने का? सिंपल है. 2 for cases है, 3 after वाले cases है, 2 for वाले cases, 3 after वाले cases. For emphasis, for incomplete answer. For emphasis, for incomplete answer. Yes Daniel, ऐसा ही लिखना आंसर. For emphasis, for incomplete answer. फिर 3 after वाले case. After preposition, after ka, after say, sir, so. Okay? All the 5 cases are clear to you all. I will give you 1 minute. आप ये 1 minute में क्या करोगे? You will revise. Firstly, TED का full form क्या है? T stands for tonic, E stands for emphatic, D stands for disjunctive. फिर TED का list क्या है? Mua, tua, lui, el, nu, vu, el. Then, चलो, now give me the 5 cases. Case number 1, for emphasis. 2, for incomplete answer. 3, after preposition. 4, after ka. 5, after say, sir, so. ऐसा सब कुछ बोलना है. Clear? I give you 1 minute. Go through everything. Then I'll unmute anybody and ask you to answer. And once you finish answering, we will have a small test. Let me know when you finish revising everything, and let me know who is ready to answer. हुआ किसी का? Okay, Anaida, I am unmuting you. Very good. Anaida has just put the message. She's done. So I will stop sharing the screen for a while. That way you can't refer to it. Anaida, I'm unmuting you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Anaida, is your video working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll pause the recording. That way you can let me know in the chat. Kitki, do you want to try? Kitki, can you hear me? Let me know in the chat. Okay, Daniel says me. Let's see. Daniel, I'm unmuting you. Daniel, can you turn on your video as well?
Hello, miss.
Hello. Is your video working, Daniel?
Miss, no, miss. There is a problem with my camera.
Okay, then go ahead, Daniel. What is the full form of TED?
Miss, tonic, disjoint, and emphatic.
Very good. What is the list of TED pronouns?
Miss, moi, toi, lui, elle,
No.
nous, vous, elle.
Very good. Now the 5 cases, Daniel.
Miss, for emphasis, then before the preposition,
After, Daniel, after.
after the preposition, before, for emphasis, after preposition,
After. Comparison वाले में क्या था?
ko, after ko,
And lastly, after.
preposition.
से सरसों नहीं बोला आपने?
After say so also.
Okay, so these are the 5 cases. Thank you, Daniel. Good attempt. Okay, once again, I'm sharing the screen. ओके, दिस इज फ्रॉम चैप्टर 2 पेज 22. ऑल राइट, ये हम पहले प्रैक्टिस करते हैं साथ में एंड उसके बाद टेस्ट होगा. ऑल राइट, सो फर्स्ट वन, लेट मी नो व्हाट विल यू यूज. Nidhi and Ketki, I know you want to say the rules and everything, but we are running short of time, so we'll start practicing. Very good, Man and Deep have answered. Look at the hint in the sentence. What is the hint here? In the sentence, your hint is je. तो क्या लिखोगे? Je corresponds to what? Very good, perfect. अभी तो मैंने टेबल सामने रखा है. एग्जाम में एंड ऐसे ही टेबल सामने नहीं होगा, since you're doing it for the first time. Okay, so you have all the questions here with the hint words highlighted. Second one, very good. I've already got answer from Deep, Keenan, Kaushiki. No Man, second वाला अच्छे से देखो. The hint is water. Suzanne, second वाला water hint है. So your answer should be woo. Okay. First one में मुआ because the subject pronoun is je. Je corresponds to मुआ. Water मतलब वो form use हुआ है, इसीलिए वो लिखा हमने blank में. Third one, ils. Ils corresponds to dash. Ils corresponds to very, very good. EUX. Ils corresponds to EUX. Fourth one, L corresponds to very, very good. अभी सबको समझ गया. Last one, nu corresponds to excellent. क्या बात है. So nu corresponds to nu. Now ये तो easy था हाँ, because you had hints highlighted and you had the table in front. अभी ये कुछ सामने नहीं होगा. Are you ready? Even if I do not give the table in front, कोई hint words highlighted नहीं हुआ तो भी you should be able to figure out. चलो. Now I'm showing you the sentences. The sentences you can always refer to page 73 exercise, page 73 exercise 2. Come to page 73 exercise 2 from your textbook. Page 73. अभी वहां पे ना there are 5 questions. What you have to do is underline word को हटा के टेड लिखना है. But that's not it. You should also be able to tell me कौन सा केस क्यों यूज हुआ है कौन से सेंटेंस में. Out of the 5 केस कौन सा केस यूज हुआ है. Do you want me to do the first one or you want to do on your own? Chat में बताओ. Do you need help? We will do. Okay, okay. नो हेल्प. ओके, वेरी गुड देन. क्या बात है, सुपर. खुद से करो. लेट्स सी फर्स्ट वन आता है कि नहीं. आई एम गोइंग टू अनम्यूट सोनल. सोनल, क्लिक ऑन अनम्यूट. Sonal, can you hear me? Nope. Ishita, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Ishita, फर्स्ट वाले में क्या आंसर लिखोगे आप?
L.
And why will you use L, Ishita?
Because Rucha is a girl and
Yeah, out of the 5
AI.
cases. Out of the 5 cases कौन सा केस अप्लाई किया आपने यहाँ पे? वो 5 केसेस याद रखो एंड यहाँ पे बताओ. You can refer to the cases if you want.
Yes, miss. Miss, can you give me a example or something, like, because I wasn't.
Okay, no worries, Ishita. I am going to unmute Ketki. You will listen to her. If you still don't understand, you will
Yes,
let me know in
miss.
the chat.
Yeah.
Ishita, since you've answered in the chat, I expect you to answer here as well. Click on unmute, Ishita.
Miss, you just unmuted me.
No, sorry, not Ishita, Kaushiki. Kaushiki? Kaushiki, can you hear me? No, it seems she left. Internet issue maybe. Then we have, okay, Nidhi wants to answer. Nidhi, I'm unmuting you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so Nidhi, Ishita has already given the answer that Rucha should be replaced by L, which is correct. Could you tell me why she's replaced it with L, under which case?
It is the first case, rule number 1, because it is emphasizing the subject, that is
Very
L.
good, very good. कैसे पता चला यहाँ पे emphasis है?
Because L is like the underlined word is just before the L, the subject
Perfect,
pronoun.
perfect. हम लोग ने रूचा भी लिखा, L भी लिखा. You see, तो L दो बार लिखा हुआ है इधर. First time it is the Ted pronoun, the second time it is a subject pronoun. As for her, she likes to write the articles. Very good, Nidhi. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
First wala clear. You see how Nidhi answered. Ishita, did you understand? Anyone, any doubt? Okay. So second one, I am unmuting Namra.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. So Namra, what is the answer for the second one?
It's ills.
Ils अगर हाँ ils is correct अगर मुझे subject pronoun लिखना होता तो ils corresponds to what Ted pronoun के टेबल में
EUX.
Excellent. तो हमारा आंसर क्या लिखेंगे अभी ils के UX
EUX.
वेरी गुड. अभी मुझे केस बताओ कौन सा केस अप्लाई हो रहा है इधर?
Emphasis.
वेरी गुड, एम्फेसिस. क्योंकि मार्क एंड जीन भी लिखा एंड दे भी लिखा. So they and Mark and Jean are not different people. It's the same people we are talking about. Very good, Namra. Excellent. Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
So here your answer is EUX. Ishita, are you finding it easy now? Let me know in the chat. Then the third one. The third one, anyone would like to try? Let me know in the chat. It's quite easy. Third, fourth, and fifth. Yes, okay. Mahalakshmi, I'm unmuting you. Click on unmute Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi, is your mic working? No, her mic is not working. Who else would like to answer? Yes, Daniel has answered. Daniel, आपका reasoning, okay. You answer, we'll see.
Hello, miss.
Yes, Daniel, तो third वाले में आप क्या लिखोगे? Lur
Miss Louis.
professor.
Louis.
Very good, very good. The Lur professor. The students go at their professor's place. Their professor मतलब he, il corresponds to Louis, so he is absolutely correct. Now Daniel, कौन सा case apply हो रहा है इधर?
Miss after verb.
Verb तो है ही नहीं ना भाई केस में. 5 cases सामने रखो and मुझे बताओ.
Miss after the preposition.
Yes, she is a preposition. हमने preposition का list बना के लिखा, उसमें she था. Very very good, Daniel. चलो, you self corrected yourself, so that is excellent. Then the next one, Keenan, I am unmuting you.
Hello, miss. Good afternoon.
Good evening, dear. Keenan, fourth वाला आंसर क्या लिखोगे?
It will be L.
Very good. क्यों L क्यों लिखेंगे? कौन सा केस अप्लाई हो रहा है?
Miss, after the preposition.
Very good. Avec is a preposition, list में लिखा था. Excellent, Keenan. Well done.
Thank you, miss.
And the last one, anybody? चलो, last वाला थोड़ा सा tricky है. Let me see. Last one again, Daniel, he says. Nidhi, you made the same mistake that I was talking about. Drishti, same mistake. Yes, Kaushiki has answered correctly. Kaushiki, I would want you to answer here. Let me see if Kaushiki, click on unmute and try once.
Hello.
Yeah, hello dear. You've answered correctly in the chat, so let us know what is your answer, Kaushiki.
EUX.
Very good. How did you know UX क्यों लिखा? There are so many students who are saying it is nu. So can you explain nu क्यों नहीं है इधर?
Because it is ills.
Excellent. Excellent. Our children is not we. Our children is they, na?
Yes.
You get me, everyone? Those of see, we go to the cinema without our children, without likha hai. Oh, so these parents are like really super duper. Okay,
Hmm.
so you see, we go to the cinema without our children, without
Yes.
our children. Our children is not,
Preposition.
yes, our children is not we, our children is they. So you understand, without our children, they matlab ills corresponds to EUX, and that's how your answer is EUX. And yes, Kaushiki, you've already given. कौन सा case बताया आपने?
Preposition.
Very good. After preposition. Excellent. Has everyone understood this? तो NOS देख के नो मत लिखना. नो कभी लिखोगे क्लास? Only when you have anyone plus mua. Anyone plus tua तो वो. Otherwise do not use nu and wo at all. Anyone plus mua आया तो ही nu लिखने का. Anyone, suppose your question would have been nu zala o cinema saw Pauline and mua. We go to the cinema without Pauline and me. Okay, suppose this is Suzanne and Nidhi saying. Suzanne and Nidhi say we go to the cinema without Pauline and me, matlab Yashika. Okay, so what will you do? Anybody plus mua will be replaced by nu. Do you get me? तो sentence में basically what I mean to say is anyone plus mua आया तो ही replace करो nu से. Anyone plus tua आया तो ही sentence को replace करो, underline word को replace करो वो से. Otherwise do not use nu and wo at all. Is everything clear so far to everyone? सबको टेट प्रोनाउन समझा? ओके, सो बिफोर वी एंड द क्लास, एक क्लास टाइम में पूरा बोल देती हूँ. टेड प्रोनाउंस. T stands for tonic, E stands for emphatic, D stands for disjunctive. It has got 3 different names, but it's one and the same. The topic is one and the same. All right. The list is mua, tua, lui, el, nu, vu, el. Mua, tua, lui, el, nu, vu, el. The cases for emphasis, for incomplete answer, after preposition, after ka, after say, so, 5 cases. Can you give example for nu, just for idea? Yes, so you can do the same thing. Abhi suppose मैंने third sentence लिया, the students go at Pauline and my place. Suppose I say les étudiants vont chez Pauline et moi. लर प्रोफेसर को हटा के अभी Pauline et moi आ गया. तो कौशिकी, what will you write? Les étudiants vont chez Pauline et moi. So in that case, les étudiants vont chez nous. But now कौशिकी, मैंने अगर इसको ऐसे बोला, les étudiants vont chez Pauline et toi, तो क्या लिखोगे? वो. वेरी गुड. समझा ना? anyone प्लस मुआ आया तो ही नू लिखना, anyone प्लस तुआ आया अंडरलाइंड वर्ड में तो ही वो लिखना. क्लियर नाउ एवरीवन? सबको सब कुछ समझा? एनी डाउट सो फार? ऑल राइट, so we'll stop here. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye. Adios. Au revoir. Ciao.